Hello guys, today we're playing Subway Surfers. I already started without you and look at my high score. I don't really know you can be my high score because I watch ads. No. Okay. You think I'm a Polito? Alcohol is a board, okay. Alright, let's go. You know what? This is too boring. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Ah. I don't really. Off. Go. You gotta be kidding me. Okay. What is this robot doing, bro? Did he train 400 years to like train boxing? And now he's a good train boxing player? Did you see that? Oh. No. It's okay, you can watch the ad with me, guys. Oh, never mind then. Alright. Mini whistly bucks. So skilledy. Alright. Why is there thousands of trains? I mean, I really gotta say they got added paddles. Matic. I'd like to change have added paddles and then just immediately hit. Do these trains got admin paddles? I'm not lying. Okay, I'm like goodbye. Ah. Wait. What's this? That was perfect. I'm not lying. That was perfect. Yeah. Why did I just waste my skateboard? Yeah, you see, these trains have admin panels. Like, oh. What, I'm in the hard part? Yeah. Dude. This is so tricky. Dude, I'm using a skateboard right now. I almost got hit, and we have to watch an ad together. Well, lucky for you. Because you don't like ads. That was almost too ad. Okay. What's this? Okay, that's hard. I'm not grabbing that then. Yep, give me these points. It looks like I'm not good because I can't reach to the end. Did you see how good I am? One key. Okay. I spent one key for this radio. So make sure to fake me. No need to fake me. I was almost about to watch an ad, but no. Oh! Dude, these trains are so scary. They want me to die. I don't want to go jail from the security guard. Oh! Phew. Gotta collect the coin. Yeah, it's gonna be much harder. Oh my gosh. Yep, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna get hit by the trains. And the police also gonna get hit by the trains. Oh my god. How did I miss that? Okay. Okay. No, 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 no! Okay. Skip if you want. Skip, 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 skips. Or you can watch an ad with me. Alright, that's a break time. Okay, thank you for watching me. Watch an ad, guys. That really helps me to win the game. Man, what the heck? I'm jumped so high. I almost died. Okay, these trains are very haunted. Bro, this boy. Why did someone make this game? I feel like someone got. I got one key. Yeah. Like, It would be so crazy if you type in Subway Surfers workout codes, and then it became like this. It'd be so fast. That would be crazy. And then you'd be so strong. That'd be so crazy. What is this game? What is this Wibbly Castle? Okay. Dude, these annoying ads. Type in the comments you hate ads or you love ads. I don't even know why they put ads. If there's no ads, oh my gosh, okay. Jake. Hi, Jake. Next, we're gonna change this. Okay. We're gonna change this, whoa. This robot. Alright, this robot looks cool. Okay. I am so stupid. Ow. Then what happens if you get a skateboard? It would be so cool if you keep a skateboard and then just use it always. I didn't know that. I'm sorry. Like, I always keep forgetting. Like, if you fall down and you act like you forgetting, get the skateboard. You double tap it. I was about to go that way, but the train come. I wet myself in the bushes, so no one can see me. I spy my little eye black. It's a black robot. There's no black robots. Fish stick. Okay. I'm so pro at this. How many inches is a train? A fight? I was almost gonna get hit, but I did use one of my skateboards. Yes. Boom, boom, boom! I'm sorry when I almost get hit and then I used it. Get X2. Okay, jump, go, 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 go! Oh! It's actually the end. didn't know there was a trail. I didn't know there was a trail. Bro, what is this game? Could I pay pink to yellow? That's it. Low, I went genius. Is a game? I'm genius. Oh. I want to do the game. Alright, that's it for today. And goodbye. So.